Hello friends, today we are learning chapter number 7, fraction, exercise number 7.4. In earlier class we seen 7.3, now today we are seeing 7.4 and all the 7.4 10 question answers we are seeing on the board. Please pay attention. Now the first question, write shaded portion as a fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Smaller than, greater than, equal to, between the fractions. So here are the fractions are given. You have to write first what is this shaded portion. This is 8 parts, out of 8, 3 are colored. This is 8 parts, out of 8, 6 are colored. 8 parts, out of 8, 4 are colors. And 8 parts, out of 8, 1 is colored. So if you arrange it is in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to 1. So 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 6 upon 8. It is in ascending order. Descending order, 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 1 upon 8. Here it is given question. Answer 3 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 1 upon 8. This is what? Arrange numbers questions. That is now this is a question. It is arranged in 8, 1 upon 8 smaller than 3 upon 8 smaller than 4 upon 8 smaller than 6 upon 8. In descending order, 6 upon 8 greater than 4 upon 8 greater than 3 upon 8 greater than 1 upon 8. Okay dear. Second question. Here total how many are there? Total 9 boxes. In these 9 boxes 8 are colored. This is 8 upon 8. 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9. Out of 9 4 are colored. 4 upon 9. Out of 9 3 are colored. 3 upon 9. And out of 9 6 are colored. So 6 upon 9. So if you write this in ascending and descending order, first one 8 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 3 upon 9, 6 upon 9. If you write in ascending order means smaller one. Which is the smaller one? 3 upon 9, 3 upon 9. Next 4 upon 9, 4 upon 9. Next 6 upon 9. Next 8 upon 9. It is ascending order, smaller to bigger. Now you have to go bigger to smaller. Descending order, 8 upon 9, 6 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 3 upon 9. So what we did, we written first shaded part. Afterwards, right after completing the shaded parts, writing that same fraction, we arrange in ascending and descending order. Next question we will see now. The next question, show 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 upon 6 on the number line. Put appropriate sign between the fraction. Put appropriate sign between the fraction. Now if you see, this is that question. We divide that into 6 equal parts. Here is 0 and here is 1. Fraction denominator is 6, so we divided 6 parts in one number as I shown in earlier class. 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6 means 1. 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6. Okay, so we shown this on a number line. When you show on a number line, the fraction when you show on a number line, you have to check whether the denominator, what is the denominator? 6. So that one number you have to divide into 6 equal parts as a 0 and it is a 1. Between this we divided the 6 parts. Now 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, it will become after 1. 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6. This number is shown on a number line. Okay dear, is shown on a number line. After showing on a number line, what we have to show? You have to show this 5 upon 6, fill in the blanks 2 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 greater than 2 upon 6. 3 upon 6 greater than 0. Here greater than sign becomes. 1 upon 2 smaller than 6 upon 6. 8 upon 6 greater than 5 upon 6. Now we will see the answer here. See, 5 upon 6 greater than 2 upon 6. 1 upon 6 smaller than 6 upon 6. This is smaller than sign and this is greater than sign. 3 upon 6 greater than 0 upon 6. 0 means 0 upon 6. And 8 upon 6 greater than 5 upon 6. We will go to the next question. Now second question, compare the fraction and put an appropriate sign. Again you have to show your appropriate sign. 3 upon 6, 5 upon 6. Which one is the greater? So you have to put pi upon 6 is a greater sign. Next, 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 4. When denominator is equal, so you can directly say by saying the numerator. The smaller numerator is a smaller number, the greater numerator is a greater number. When both the denominators are same. If you see here, this is denominator 7 and this is denominator 4. These are different. So how to find that? You have to cross multiply. 1 4 is 4, 1 7 is 7. So this is 7 upon, here is 7 came bigger number. So 1 upon 4 is the greater. Please pay attention. I cross multiplied this 1 upon 4. 1 multiplied by 4, this we have consumed as a 4. 7 multiplied by 1, we assume this as 7. So 7 is a greater. So 1 upon 4 is a greater. 1 upon 4 is a greater. 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 5 upon 5, same denominator, 5 upon 5 is a greater. Now 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7, both the denominators are different. What you do? Cross multiply. 7 3 is a 21. 5 3 is a 15. It came 21, this is come 15. So 3 upon 5 is the greater. 3 upon 5 is the greater. When the denominators are different and they are asking you to compare, so you have to cross multiply the denominator. First numerator to second denominator, second numerator to the first denominator. And which number came bigger, that fraction is the greater. Like here, 4 ones are 4, 7 ones are 7, 7 here. So this 1 upon 4 is the greater. 1 upon 4 is the greater. Next question. Make 5 more each pair and put appropriate sign. Now here is given 9 upon 10, 6 upon 10. Both denominators are same. So 9 is greater, you put here 9. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6. Both the denominators are different. Cross multiplied by 1, 6 is a 6. 1, 3 is a 3. It came 3, this came 6. So this is a greater. So 1 upon 3 is a greater. 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 5. 1 upon 8 and 1 upon 5. Cross multiply 5 ones are 5. It came 5. 8 ones are 8. It came 8. So this is a greater. So 1 upon 5 is the greater. 7 upon 8. 11 upon 8. Both are same. 11 is the greater. This one is the greater. 11 upon 13. 9 upon 13. 11 is the greater. Denominators are same. So you have to see the greater numerator. This is the greater. So this one is the greater. And in this way you can put 5 more examples. You can write that to your own. Now question number 4. Look at the figure and write smaller or bigger sign, greater than or smaller than sign between the given place. Now this is 0 and this is 1. This one part, full one number. That one number is divided into 2 parts, off and off. Then again one number divided into 3 parts, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. One number is divided into 4 parts, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. Next, the same number is divided into 5 parts, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5. If you see, one number is divided into different parts. First one is full, that is not divided in any part. Second one is divided into 2 parts, so 1 upon 2 and this is 1 upon 2. Next is divided into 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. Next we will see 6 parts. So 1 upon 6, 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 1 upon 6. I am talking about the each part. Each part is 1 upon 6. So it is 0 and it is 6 means 1. That is divided into 6 parts. So 0 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 6 means full number. Now here you have to show 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. Which one is the greater? Cross multiply. 1 3 is the 3, 1 6 is the 6. So 1 upon 3 is the greater. So sign will become here. 1 upon 3 is the greater. Now here 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 6 cross multiply because the numbers are not same. 6 3s are 18 and 4 2s are 8. 18 is greater. So 3 upon 4 is the greater. Now 2 upon 3 and 2 upon 4. Both the denominators are different. 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. 8 is greater. So 2 upon 3 is the greater. So when denominators are different, you have to cross multiply. When you cross multiply, which numerator number is greater? That fraction is greater. Next, 6 upon 6 and 3 upon 3. If you both the denominators are different, 3 6 are 18, 3 6 are 18, 18 equal. So this is an equal fraction. 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 5. Both the denominators are different. 5 5 is 25, 6 5 is 30. This one 30. So 5 upon 5 is a greater. Now we will go to the explanation downside. How it is explained? See, first question 1 upon 3 is the greater, second one 3 upon 4 is the greater, third one 2 upon 3 is the greater, 6 upon 3 and 3 upon 3 equal, 5 upon 6 and 5 upon 5, 5 upon 5 is the greater. Next question. Question number. Now 5 more such problems. Here they made 5 more, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 6. So you can make any questions. So here I did some questions. 5 more, 1 upon 2, 3 upon 6. Which one is the greater? 6 1 is 6, 2 3 is 6. Both are equal. Both are equal. Next, 5 2 is 10, 3 3 is 9. This one is 3 upon 2 upon 3 is the greater. 3 upon 2 is the greater. 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18. 4 4 is 16. 18 is the greater. 3 upon 4 is the greater. 5 2 is 10, 6 2 is 12. 12 is the greater. 2 upon 2 is the greater. 6 0 is 0, 1 0 is 0. Both are 0. Both are equal. Now, how quickly can you do this fill appropriate sign? Greater than, equal to, and smaller than. Now we have to do quickly. 1 upon 5, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 5. Which one is the greater? 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2. So 5 upon 1 upon 2 is the greater. 1 upon 2 is the greater. 6 2s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Both are equal. 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10. 10. 2 upon 3 is the greater. 2 upon 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10. 2 upon 3 is the greater. 2 upon 3 is the greater. 8 3s are 24. 4 2s are 8. So 24 upon this one is the greater. 3 upon 4 is the greater. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. 6 upon 5 is the greater. 6 upon 5 is the greater. Both are denominator same. 7 upon 9 is the greater. 7 upon 9 is the greater. 5 6 is 30. 10 4 is 40. Sorry, I missed one number. This one. 8 1s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Both are equal. 5 6 is 30. 10 4 is 40. This is 30. This is 40. 4 upon 5 is the greater. 8 3 is 24. 4 7 is 28. 28. 7 upon 8 is the greater. Next question. 6 upon 10 and 4 upon 5. 5 6 is 30. 10 4 is 40. So 4 upon 5 is the greater. 21 5 is 105 and 15 7 is 105. Both are equal. So those both are equal. We will go to the next question. Question number 6. The following fraction represented just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 group of equivalent fractions by changing each one of its simplest form. Here some questions are given and the some questions are divided into 3 groups. You have to arrange that each group. Now this is come under 2 upon 12, 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6. So the group number 1 upon 6, here are given group number 1 upon 5 first one, 1 upon 6 is second one, and 4 upon 25 is the third one. 4 upon 25 is the third one. So what you have to do? You have to arrange in that group. So A will come in 1 upon 6 group. 1 upon 6 group. 1s are 5s are 1 upon 5. This will become in 1 upon 5 group. Here shown. All the questions are divided. 2 upon 6. It became 1 upon 6. 3 upon 5. 3 1s are 3 5s are. 8 upon 15. 2 4s are 2 25s are. 16 upon 100. 4 4s are 4 25s are. 10 upon 60, 10 1s are 10 6 are 1 upon 6. 15 and 70, 75, 15 1s are 15 5s are. 12 and 60, 12 1s are 12 5s are. 16 and 96, 16 1s are 16 6, 16 6 are. 12 and 75, 3 4s are 3 25s are. 12 upon 72, 12 1s are 12 6 are. 3 upon 8, 3 1s are 3 6 are. 4 upon 24, 4 upon 24. So this you have to arrange in the group. 1 upon 5 B E F G, 1 upon 6 A E H J K, 4 upon 5 C D I L. Yeah, J K L. Next question. Question number 7. Find answer to the following. Write and indicate how you solve them. Here you have to show 5 upon 8 equal to 4 upon 5 or not. Cross multiplication. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36 and 5 9s are 45. So 25 upon 45, 36 upon 45. So this is gone 25 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Both are equal? No, both are not equal. Both are equal? No, both are not equal. Second question. 9 9s are 81. 81. 16 5s are 80. So 80, you see the question? Now second question, the first question is not equal. Second question, 9 9s are 81 and 16 9s are 144. 81 upon 144. 16 5s are 80. 16 9s are 144. This is 181 upon 144. 81 upon 144. 80 upon 144. Both are equal? No, both are not equal. Next question. Question number C. What we are doing? We are cross multiplication here. We are cross multiplying this. Please pay attention. 4 upon 5, 16 upon 20. So 4 multiplied by 20. 4 multiplied by 20, 80. 5 20s are 100. So first one, 4 upon 5 became 80 upon 100. Second one, 16 5s are 80. 5 20s are 100. 80 upon 100, 80 upon 100. Both are equal. 1 upon 15, 4 upon 30. 1 upon 15, 4 upon 30. Here we reduce this. This both is going to be reduced in a 2. So how to do directly if you want to do 1 30 is a 30. Here 2 2s are and 2 15s are. 2 upon 15 is coming there. 2 upon 15, 1 upon 15. So though both are not equal. So they are therefore the both are not equal. Next. Ela read 25 pages of book containing 100 pages and Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Read less. So you have to show that who read less. According to the question, Ela read 25 pages out of 100. So 25 upon 100, 25 ones are 25 fours are. And Lalita read 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 means how much? 2 upon 5 means how much? 40 upon 100. Why 40 upon 100? Because here 25 pages, ones are 25 ones are 25 fours are. 1 upon 4 part and 2 upon 5 part. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 5. So 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 5, you see, this is coming what? 5. This is coming 8. So 2 upon 5 is the greater portion. Therefore, Ira read less and Lalita read more. Next question. Rafiq, exercise 3 upon 6 of an hour while doing exercise 3 upon 4 of an hour. So, if you take 3 upon 6 became 1 upon 2. 3 upon 6 became 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4 became 3 upon 4. 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 4. If you check here, how to check here? Otherwise you do one thing. 3 upon 4, cross multiply 18, 12. Here is coming 18. So 3 upon 4 is the root exercise longer time. Last question of this exercise. In class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In another class B, 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was the greater fraction of student? First you have to find the fraction. 20 passed out of 25. 20, 25. 5 fours are 5 5. The fraction is 4 upon 5. Next in class B, 24 out of 30. So 6 fours are 6 5s are. 4 upon 5, 4 upon 5. So both class fraction is same. So here what we did, we learn here exercise number 7.4. All the questions I show you. Please carefully watch the video. Try to understand. See twice, thrice. So you definitely will understand that. So today itself, bye. We will see 7.5 in next class. Thank you.